Hello, Mr. Wendell here. We're going to be taking a look at the analysis section of the displacement of a granular substance lab. The data that we collected was the volume of dry sand at 14 milliliters, the volume of water at 19 milliliters, the volume of sand and water at 27 milliliters, and we're going to calculate the rest. Letter D is volume of sand particles alone. In order to get the volume of sand particles alone, what you're going to do is subtract the volume of the sand and water from the volume of water. Basically here we're looking at how much volume did the granular substance, the sand, take up. In this case, the sand took up 8 milliliters. 8 milliliters is 27 minus 19. The volume of air in dry sand then will be the volume of dry sand, letter A, and you're going to subtract from that the volume of sand particles alone, which is letter D. 14 minus 8 is going to give you an answer of 6 milliliters. The volume of sand in dry sand is really just the same as the volume of sand particles alone, so the correct answer there is going to be 8 milliliters. And lastly, we're going to look at the volume of water not in the air spaces. So this is the amount of water that is left after it fills in the air spaces in the dry sand. And now we're going to look for the volume of water not in the air spaces. In order to get this, you're going to subtract letter D, which is going to be the volume of the sand particles alone, from letter B, which is the volume of water. Again, this is the amount of water that is not in the air spaces inside your sample of sand. Correct answer there is going to be 11 milliliters. We can do a second trial, and I will put numbers in for you to be able to calculate that. Using the volume of dry sand is 15 milliliters, the volume of water is 20 milliliters, and the volume of sand and water together as 30 milliliters, please calculate letters D through G. When you're finished, you can write the conclusion, restate your hypothesis, and tell if you were correct or not in your hypothesis or your idea. Please make sure you write in full sentences. Also refer to the data from the data table in your conclusion.